video. Today is a very exciting day. Hopefully she's gonna say yes to the dress. Many of you know I am in the middle of planning my wedding. Honestly, I looked at the calendar yesterday. I was like, oh my god, it's coming so close already. And I haven't worked on a dress yet. Anyway, when I was looking for my wedding dress, I immediately knew I wanted to go to Pronovias. When I just started my modeling career years ago, I used to do their show in Barcelona, and I was like in love with just all the dresses, how beautiful they are. Like, it was just stunning. I picked online a couple and I'm very curious to see how it's gonna look like. I wasn't able to do anything custom because I was a little bit late, but they have so many styles as well. I'm just ready to go, so I'm really excited. I don't know why, but I was like, let me make myself look like a little bride today. A little bit. It's raining, but I'm excited. Yeah, I just hope we can find something. It will be so fun. I'm also going to pick up Jessie and then Mackenzie, and then Elon is also going to meet me. So I have like a whole squad. I was like, we just need to make a fun little girls thing out of this. It will be a lot of fun. So I'm gonna grab my bag and we're gonna go. Gonna get 2 dirty iced chai with almond. Alrighty. Cheers. Jessie's coming with today. Hey, Juggy. Thank you. Alrighty. Jessie's classic. Jug. Hi.
How do we unlock the car?
Hello. No way. There she is. Is this gonna mean we're gonna find the dress today?
Yes, absolutely.
I love that.
9
a.m. Tuesday morning. Let's go.
I'm so excited!
I know!
Sanne, how are you feeling?
We're feeling excited. Also, I got a little worried yesterday because Jessie was like, Sanne, if you don't find a dress, we have a little bit of a problem. Or we're only 7 months away.
Yeah, I was like, they have to alter it.
And I'm like,
Wait, Sanne, this guy wants to talk to you. He wants to be in your vlog.
Alrighty, we just arrived. Got the whole squad here. Woo! We're all ready. Let's do it. Elon is here. I am ready. Did you do some pre-shopping?
Oh my god. I walked in, he's like, oh, you, my beautiful bride.
You kind of catch up where you're at.
Catch up where we're at. No, I picked them like all of them. I'm not sure.
So we have some gorgeous gowns here. This one's really fun because it's like a surprise in the back.
I feel like you should try on one like really fun, high fashion dress.
Do some heavy pours.
Cheers. Is this normally what you do after you find something or already before?
It doesn't matter. You're
Doesn't
celebrating
matter.
your
Okay,
way.
I love that. Cheers.
All right, dress number 1.
Oh my god.
Oh my
I
god.
just got chills. This is from our atelier collection.
Who is she? This is like the couture.
Wow. You might have to rethink the lace.
I know. I was literally just saying, I was like, okay, this would have been off the hanger, totally not my vibe. But actually, when you put it on, it's like
Stunning.
pretty.
It has the button down that we're talking about.
Yeah, so I really love
That looks
kind
so
of an
good.
open something.
Okay.
Just because I have wide shoulders, I feel like that.
How do you feel about sleeves?
I don't mind it.
Were you more thinking sleeveless?
I was thinking sleeveless. I like open back a lot.
Wow.
I think it's a little too glittery though.
Okay, so maybe something with slightly less sparkle, something softer. Dress number 2.
Oh, whoa.
Okay.
Look at that cape.
It has a cape.
Oh, that comes with it.
It comes with it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I feel like you don't like the cape, do you?
No.
You're taking it off.
No, the dress itself I think is really pretty. I like the back a lot. I do think the front thing, I like the V situation. So maybe like from bottom on like this vibe, and then maybe here a little more V.
You might not be able to wear undies.
Yeah, I don't think you will.
But it's your wedding. Oh my.
Here comes the bride.
Oh, this one's the party in the back one.
I know, the party in the back. And I know that I first had, I was like, I don't want strapless.
It
That
does look
looks
nice
really
on
nice.
Yeah, it look. Oh my god, the back.
It's kind of a mixture of like the very simple what I want, but then it has something
Yeah.
fun.
I mean, the back is beautiful.
It still gives you like your waist is
Snatch.
snatched in the space.
What do you guys think?
It's so hard because you look good and everything.
Yeah.
But
Oh wow.
This is the antelope gown.
wow.
So this one, the sleeves,
Come on.
you can take them off or alter them off.
I love the veil on you. I think the veil with the sleeves on this one is a little
It's a
too
little
much.
much
If you're gonna do the lace, then it will look really nice on Bear.
on Bear, yeah. With these, they can take that off. But it's so hard to visualize
Well, you
it.
know what it is? You're really covered in this dress.
Yeah, this is not my.
Yeah, next.
This is not it.
So we know.
Oh wow, so that literally is that dress almost.
This is a little wider.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I like the more thin material
Yeah.
better because it feels like a little
Up
older
top.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel 35.
35.
I actually think the simple, what is it?
Veil.
Veil is nicer than the one with
I like
the
the-
lace on it.
I agree.
I love this, the
Yeah.
veil thing.
I think
The top situation, I'm not. This dress, if this top is this fabric, that would be perfection.
We'd have to find you a dress that already has that built in, I believe, just because we have to completely redo the corset to do that.
Gotcha.
Oh
Sweet
my
60.
Look at you. That is a lot of lace for someone who doesn't
But it's fun to try it on.
Yeah.
I think it looked better on.
Yeah.
On to the next.
This is definitely like
Whoa.
different vibe again. It has the
Ooh.
sleeve pockets. Oh wow, I like the pockets vibe. Guys, I don't know what
Dramatic. I'm confused.
I know.
It's so hard.
It's so hard. It's all so different. And I'm like,
But this is simple and chic in a different way. Wow.
Honestly, beautiful.
I think I tried like how many? 15?
Probably.
Probably like 15 types of dresses. I started kind of like with a lot of extra ones and then we kind of went more simple. And I do really think like the simple styles, like that's the vibe. And I'm going to go home because you can customize a little bit, see the different tops and stuff and see yeah, if we can customize it to the perfect one. But I'm very happy with today. It was a lot of fun.
It was so
And
much
also
fun.
big shout out to the squad here. Keeping the energy high.
And the champagne flowing.
And the champagne flowing. Love that. I'm just gonna sit on it for a little bit. I don't have a lot of time, but
She's gonna look beautiful.
Thank you, thank you. Alrighty, let's go. Let's go. We are a week further from the day I was trying on my dresses, and wow, I feel I've really gone through a roller coaster of thoughts, of feelings, of this like whole process. I don't even know how to describe it. I thought it was going to be way less overwhelming than I actually thought, and I was so happy that I had Eel, Jessie and Mackenzie there to kind of, I don't know, just like really help. The funny part was that while I was trying on the dresses, of course I had with some that I loved more than others. They always say like you have to try on dresses too that maybe on the hanger like you wouldn't like gravitate to, and then sometimes when you put them on they are really like surprisingly like beautiful on you, or like you feel surprisingly comfortable in it. I definitely had a couple of those moments that I was like, okay, I don't really know. I also didn't really know exactly what I was looking for, and I was very open. Like I felt I went in there very like open to like try on anything. But man, when I came back home, I was confused. I think that's just the right way to say it. I was like, I don't know what I want. I don't know what I feel good in. All of the feelings. But something what really helped me, what I did in the last few days, obviously the girls made so many photos and videos, and this was probably the most helpful thing ever. I really like just went through the photos, and actually by doing that, I don't know, I gravitated to a complete different dress, and I chose my dress. I think I really want to like share this experience too, because I feel like in movies you always see, you know, you put on a dress, or a girl puts on a dress, and then it's like, say yes to the dress, like you will have that instant feeling, you know when you know, and things like that. I'm like, I don't know about that. I feel it's the same with a relationship. Yeah, sometimes you just know, but like sometimes, I don't know, things need to grow, whatever. And I didn't have that like immediate feeling, but now I've like really looked at my photos and my videos, and like I'm obsessed with the dress. I'm literally obsessed, and I'm like, this is so me, and I'm so excited. But I did want to like kind of show you guys a little bit and talk a little bit more about the dresses that I actually like tried on. So the first one is this very lacy one. I feel I'm not like a super lace type of girl, but I was definitely open to like try it, and I'm so glad I did. The dress was absolutely stunning, and I really loved the low V. Like I felt that was something I kind of really wanted, because I feel with my body type I have like broader shoulders. I know some people say I'm crazy when I say that. It's just like really pretty, and that's what I feel the most confident in, and I feel that is really important when you're like picking your dress. So I really loved it, but I felt like the lace was just a little bit too much personally. Okay, then I also really loved this one. It was very basic from the front, but then it had lace in the back. So I was like, oh wow, it's kind of like a combination of what I was looking for. Oh, why is my camera being so weird? My words on my like Pinterest board, and just like the words I like wrote down in my journal, were like simple, clean, beautiful, classic. I feel like that is really me, and I want to like look back at these photos in like 20 years and still be like, oh, that is really pretty. So I really love like the front, and then simple, and then the back actually having more of a statement with lace. I wasn't sure about like the cutout like this way on me, because I don't have like a lot of boobs, so I wasn't sure if that would look good on me. And then another dress would like honestly like really surprised me and almost like turned my head in a way. I always thought that a big dress was not for me. I was like, I don't think I like big dresses, and this giant dress with the bow, I don't know what it was, but I was feeling it. It felt fun. I was like swirling around with it. I was like, I felt like a real bride, if that makes sense. And I like really loved it. And I was like, wow, this is like one of those things, you know, what they always say, like you need to like try things on. Even when you don't think on the hanger it would fit you, it might surprise you. That was one of them. However, though, I do feel like the location that Max and I chose is obviously in Puglia in Italy. It's very like rustic. It's all like white. The ceremony will be like in nature. So I was like, okay, I feel that big dress might be more something for a classic French chateau or like castle or like a different type of location. And I think this is another tip that a stylist gave me also a little while back. It's like, it's really good to first choose your location and then go dress shopping, because you kind of want to adopt your dress, like, you know, if you're on the beach or if you are in the mountains, or like, okay, those are very extremes, but you get it. Like if that's a little bit different, getting your location and also looking at that a little bit, I think will be like very helpful. Oh yeah, I also really love this. It's kind of like a halter. It's a very simple, and I really loved it. I also love the like big trail behind it. The only thing I was like, this is maybe more for like the welcome dinner or something. I almost felt it was like not too simple, but a little bit. I still want the dress to feel like very like striking and stuff. But anyway, really by just like looking at all the photos and just also taking a little bit of a moment of like just thinking about it and just reviewing again, whatever, I just started to fall in love with a dress, and it took just like, I don't know, a couple days longer. But I am so happy with it, and also like my whole experience was just so fun. Like at the store, they were so nice. We had like a little champagne. They were so helpful. Like it literally felt like a little party, and it actually made me like way more excited about the wedding, because I was like, oh wow, it's real, it's like gonna happen. So yeah, based on my experience, I would say my tip is definitely bring your girls and have them take tons and tons of photos. Another tip I think is you don't have to have that like yes, or say yes to the dress like moment that you need to fall in love on the spot. I feel like everyone's like wedding dress, finding a wedding dress thing is like a different journey. Yeah, it's like a different journey, and some people might have that feeling when they put a dress on, like, oh my god, I like love it. Also, I think it's good to like go to different stores. So I went actually to like 2 or 3 other ones before, but I didn't really like love as much the dresses, so it's just good to like look around. Another tip is like be on time, because dresses honestly take like 9 months, sometimes like 12 even. I did not realize that, so like I kind of had to like make decisions pretty quickly. Thankfully I can like, I don't know, I feel like I'm pretty quick, right, in that sense. But it's definitely a tip to like start on time with that, if you, especially if you want something custom, but also just to be able to choose like whatever you want and not feel like, you know, pressured by like a deadline or something. But yeah, I'm so excited. I think I will do more like little wedding update videos or something. I don't know exactly what, you know, the planning or like what you guys want to see. So if you have any like other wedding questions or whatever, just feel free to ask them on Instagram or maybe in the comments down below here, and then maybe I can do another video kind of towards like the preparations and stuff. So yeah, I am so stoked. Your girl's getting married. It's crazy. It's so crazy. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon.